Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Jessa Filio. I am 30 years old. I have live-in partner. I have 3 kids, 12 years old and 11 years old. The youngest is 7 years old. I am high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family needs and I want to earn more money.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, Madam. I have worked in Saudi Arabia before for 3 years and 2 months.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities are taking care of baby, taking care of children, laundry, ironing, cleaning the house, and cooking.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, Madam. I take care of baby, 3 months old, and child 3 years old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I took care of them by bathing, feeding them, changing diapers, and change the clothes and sterilize the battle.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
Aside of take care of them, I know how to cook Filipino foods, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
The necessary of domestic helper must be loyal, honest, trustworthy, and flexible and hardworking person.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi, Madam. Please choose me as your domestic helper because I am loyal, honest, trustworthy, flexible, and hardworking person. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.